Hello, world. This is Ben Believes, your personal freedom coach, Ben Curtis. I wanted to take a moment today to create this powerful meditation for manifestation in your life. You know, most of the reason we're not getting what we ask for is because we're not asking specifically. Consider that you're actually being given everything that you need and you're asking for it. So if you feel like you're not, well, then let's ask for what you do want. So in this meditation, it'll be 3 minutes. And I want to invite you just to get comfortable. You can sit in a chair like me, or you can stand or lay on the ground, maybe even take a walk while you do this. And I invite you to close your eyes and just connect to your breath. And inside of that, I want you to start to just listen to your body. Notice the sensations that are going on today. Notice the comments in your head. Be careful not to judge yourself. Just feel yourself alive. Place a hand on your chest, maybe a hand on your belly. The shortest distance from the head to the heart, right? And get in our body. Feel your heart beating. Feel your belly rising. Feel yourself alive. Every cell in your body is constantly recreating, creating new energy, dying, creating. With every breath, you're generating new life, new oxygen in your body. So by moving these muscles, you're literally changing the world and changing the oxygen and energy around you, altering the molecules. If matter is neither created nor destroyed, then every breath could be a blessing, a prayer to the universe. So I want to invite you to consider that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. And all we have to do is get out of the way and ask for what we want. The universe actually wants to give you more of what you want because it's so abundant and vast, and our little brains can't even wrap around that. So I just want you to visualize and allow yourself to dream today. If you could have anything in your life, even if it's just a feeling of peace or love or some compassion or lots of money or abundant business or children or whatever it is that you'd like to create for your life, consider that you're worth it. And I'd like you to invite that in right now. Imagine what that would look like in your life right now. Imagine this abundance maybe in multiple areas starting to spill over. So how might this love or this money or this relationship start to affect all the other things? And I want you to see it. Play this movie. And whether or not you're able to see it, I also want you to tap into the feeling. So what would it feel like if you had this right now? Breathe in. Exhale, breathe that blessing out. What would it look like if you had this in your life right now? Just make it up. Inhale, breathe that in. Exhale, breathe that out. What would it taste like if you had that right now? Breathe that in. Exhale that blessing out. The more specific you get, the more the universe can create this. And lastly, I'd like you to say the following to yourself. I deserve, I will, I receive. I deserve this gift. I allow this gift. And I receive this gift. And lastly, I want to download you and invite you to receive unconditional love, that you are unconditional love, that you be unconditional love, and that unconditional love is you, that you are enough, and you deserve everything you've ever dreamed of. I'd like you to place your hands together, your heart center, and take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top, and on the exhale, I want you to imagine sending this prayer, blessing of abundance and manifestation out into the universe. So it'll be. Thank you. You may start to open your eyes now, gently. The eyes are the windows to the soul. And as you do so, imagine receiving this abundance in. You can even place your hands over your eyes. Breathe in and exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. And lastly, thank yourself for showing up today. In these few minutes, if you repeat this daily, you can create the abundance and love that you deserve. If no one told you they love you, I love you. Please comment below. Let me know what resonates. Please share this and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Ben believes in you. Peace.